Frustrations continue to grow over the state's vaccine rollout, with state lawmakers on both sides of the aisle saying there are major issues on multiple levels. News Channel 34's Karina Capabianca has more on the complaints they're receiving.
State lawmakers say their phones have been ringing off the hook, with constituents disappointed and frustrated that they haven't been able to book an appointment for a vaccine. In a statement, Republican Senator Phil Boyle said today, Governor Cuomo's vaccine rollout can only be described as utter chaos. Millions of New Yorkers have no idea when or where they can receive their life-saving shots, and they feel totally abandoned by their state government. The state's website has a banner alert explaining that the federal government has only given the state about 300,000 vaccines per week for the 7 million New Yorkers who are now eligible, and that as a result, supply is very limited. It also says that vaccines are available at pharmacies, hospitals, and through local health departments statewide. But Stephen Aquario with the New York State Association of Counties says that is overwhelming local health department offices that presently have few, if any, doses to give to the general public that are eligible. On Wednesday, Assemblymember Pat Fahey said she had constituents on the phone for hours trying to get through, and that she hears some are booking into April.
We need more vaccines, but the whole infrastructure that has been set up, and we've had weeks to do this. The website is not user-friendly nor is accessible, and the phones are not being answered. Serious logistical problems. It's a big disappointment, but I'm willing to work with anybody, as we've got to sort this out.
Aquario says while the goal is to have the infrastructure prepared for when New York does receive more doses, in the interim, it will take patience.
In the interim, it's don't give up. In the interim, we have to encourage all those that are currently eligible to register with the state of New York and MI Eligible portal. You need to do that. You need to take that first step by registering, and then begin to look and see if an appointment is available.
Out of the state vaccine sites available, the Javits Center and the State Fairgrounds have appointments available. In Albany, Karina Capabianca.